Right, welcome back everyone. I was trying lately to buy some cars from the auctions, but it's only dog shit to be fair, and I couldn't find anything good. And the cars are selling for stupid money. So I decided to look private, obviously on Facebook Marketplace, and I've been looking for the past week or so. Right, my cameras keep dying. Don't know what's going on. It doesn't like the SD card anymore. Right, so I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace and I came across this car, which is Vauxhall Insignia 2013 on a 62 plate. It's an estate. It's an Elite SRI Sports Tourer, long name. It should look quite interesting because it's up for £3,995 and the car retails for £6,335. Now the good part is it just had an MOT done. It says an oil leak, but this is from when the oil was topped up. It was dripping basically, and the front discs need doing because obviously I want to sell it advisory free. This photo, there is a slight discoloration between the front bumper and the side, but it's pretty normal on these cars because this is made of plastic. Especially in the photos you can see that difference. In real life it's not that bad, but you can still definitely see the difference. It's got xenon lights. This is the Elite one, the Elite trim, and it's got pretty much everything you can get on the Insignia. The description was okay, and I messaged the guy and he seemed like a really nice guy. He put the with 86,700 miles because he thought he's gonna be using the car until it gets sold, so it doesn't confuse the buyer. But he seemed like a really nice guy. Messaged him back and forth, I asked for photos, for info and all that. He answered all my questions. See, first he was asking for £4,500, which is still a good price for this car because the private sale price for this is 5,100 and something pounds. Now at the moment I don't need a diesel automatic because I'm still going to Union Pack every month from Monday to Thursday. So that will save me some money on fuel and obviously comfort, especially when you sit in traffic in London. Everybody knows what that is like. But yeah, the car seems alright. The mileage stacks up. It doesn't look like it has discrepancies. The car has been in the family. He's got the car from his father. Even though it's showing that it has 5 owners in total. One owner was for 1 second. I looked on the DVLA report, and I think there was a mistake over there. But realistically, the car has 4 owners only, including the current one. Now, I've already been and seen the car, and I offered him £3,800, which he accepted. Which means I've got a £2,600 margin in this car. But to get these sort of cars, you need to look properly and you have to spend a lot of time. The right headlight is steaming up, which it can be an easy fix, and that's one of the reasons he put the price down. And obviously the alloys are not in the greatest condition. They definitely need a refurb. I won't be able to sell the car like this. But overall the body is good. It's got a few scratches here and there, especially around the door handle. But yeah, it's a really good car, and hopefully it was a honest seller and it won't disappoint me. So right now I'm just going to call a Bolt or an Uber, and I'll go and collect the car. I know the car is in Slough. One of my rules is not to buy cars from Slough, but he seemed like a nice guy. So I'll show you walk around after I pick the car up. There it is, guys. I just collected the car and dropped it home. It drives absolutely lovely. Couldn't find any problems. Yeah, I can hear the brake discs a little bit, which were advisories on the MOT, but I'll get those sorted. It's not an issue. Overall the car is pretty dirty, as you can see. It's got a few scratches here and there. I need to sort out this headlight because you see it's got some water in. The alloys had better days. I'll get those refurbed. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it myself or I'll get someone to do it for me. This side, it's got a few age-related marks. A scratch here. This one is deep, so this one is definitely not going to polish out. But I'll use some touch-up paint and then polish it nicely. Will make it less visible. The tires are fairly new. They've been done recently. The back is not bad. It's got a scratch here, a little bit lacquer peel here. This, somebody broke this, he told me, because he lives in Slough and things like this happen in Slough. This side is alright, nothing major. Definitely gonna need to redo the headlight, make it look nice. Now let's have a quick look in the boot. It's got power boot, whatever it's called. Oh, fancy. Boot is quite big and it's not too dirty. They do have a dog and it does smell really bad. It makes me sick. Oh my god, that's bad. I'll leave that open for a bit. Oh, I can't even get close to it. It smells really bad. It's got a full-size spare wheel. No signs of accidents on the back. The back seat, as expected, they've got a dog. It's dirty. It's one of the reasons they were selling the car for so cheap. But the smell is unbearable. I had to drive with the windows down all the way to here. I mean, I wish you could feel the smell through the camera. Has a small crack there, not an issue. You see the boot can be operated from here as well. I'm gonna get rid of those mats. Go on the other side. But it makes me sick, honestly. It's not too bad, but the smell is really bad. That's my issue. Oh, let's pop the bonnet from the other side. This is not too bad. Managed to find the oil leak they were talking about. So I've been tripping he put this one on just to keep this together, something, but it's all good. He had the turbo pipe replaced. Another reason why I sold the car so cheap, they tried to fix that. They thought there's water going through here, so they used some glue, whatever it's called, to seal that, but obviously it doesn't work, so I need to get that sorted. I don't think I have to replace the headlight, but I'm sure I'll find a way to do it. But yeah, overall it's not bad. The belt, you can see over there, it looks really nice and dark, so it looks like it's been done recently. But the problem is they don't have many invoices of all the work that's been done on the car, which is a shame. I know this headlight has been replaced. It's been replaced a while ago. I keep seeing lots of people replacing headlights on the Insignias. Don't know why they do. Now, first thing what I'm gonna do is, the weather is shit today, as you can see. It's raining, it stops, then it rains again. After I finish this video, I'm gonna upload it straight away onto YouTube so you guys can watch it. So basically, the video of today is what happened today. You get it. First thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Halfords and I'll buy some AC bomb, the aircon bomb. Hopefully that'll get rid of the smell. I'll remove the mats, because obviously those hold smell, and then I'll crack on with the interior, so at least it's drivable and won't make me sick, because I'm going to be using this car to go to Union back. I hope I can get rid of the smell. I had cars with similar smell in the past, but none of them were as this bad. But now when I'm talking to you guys, I feel like vomiting, to be fair. And now it rains again. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing a video of prepping this car, because there's not much to it. Maybe if I do the alloys, I'll definitely make a video how to do that. I have to run inside now, because as you can see, it rains. Look at this fancy boot. Yay. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.